Hi there. Today I'm gonna show you the new handmade soap, and now you can see what we are going to use. So we need olive oil, sodium hydroxide, ice, and actually today that's all. And please don't forget about protection. I will use this mask, gloves, and vinegar, because if something goes wrong I can quickly neutralize sodium hydroxide. Put on your gloves and your mask and let's get started. We will use cold water, natrium hydroxide, now we're going to mix them together. To protect yourself, remember to put lye into water, not water into lye. Now let it cool down and let's prepare olive oil. It's time to make our handmade soap. Let's pour our lye into oil and let's mix it. Because today we are making Castile soap, it means we will use only one oil in it. That's why it will take maybe a little bit more time than usual. For me it takes around 10 minutes to get good consistency for my soap. And finally I can pour in my mixture into shapes. That's what we get, but for me it's not beautiful enough, and I decided to decorate my soap with some pictures on it. I use some pigments and let's see what I get. It's my first Castile soap, so it was a little bit unpredictable that it takes around 3 days to make my soap hard enough. It's still a little bit soft, so I'm really careful and shape it. Blue is my favorite. I think this one is so beautiful. Which one do you like? Subscribe to my channel, more beautiful videos about traveling, pets, and of course handmade soap. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.